Today's lecture is about measurement, which is the process of assigning numbers to objects to represent quantities or qualities of attributes or characteristics. It means through measurement, quantification is done in the form of numbers. Concepts used in research may be classified as objects or as properties. Objects include the things of ordinary experience. Properties are the characteristics of the objects. In research, concepts, whether concrete, physical concepts, or abstract, non-physical concepts, are measured. The concrete physical concepts have physical properties. They have quantitative measurements and measured in standard units. For example, weights in kilogram, heights in meters, time in minutes or hour. The abstract non-physical concepts have psychological and social properties. They have quantitative measurement. For example, intelligence can be measured through IQ score. Social status can be measured through income levels. For example, high income, middle income, lower income. Marital status can be measured through married or unmarried. The measurement of physical properties is not a complex deal, whereas measurement of psychological properties require a careful attention of a researcher. The quantity of the research always depends on the fact that what measurement techniques are adopted by the researcher and how these fit in the prevailing research circumstances. For the measurement of concepts, measurement scales are used, which are nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. Nominal scale. In nominal scales, objects are classified into categories with no particular orders and assigned numbers in order to label them. For example, gender are categorized as male or female. Marital status can be categorized as married or non-married. Here, gender has two categories, male and female, and assign one to male and two to female. The data or information generated through nominal scale can be used to calculate the percentage or frequencies. The nominal scale have the following properties. The object have mutually exclusive and collective exhaustive categories with no particular order. The statistical analysis of nominal data is done through finding mode, chi-square test, and contingency coefficients. Ordinal scale. In ordinal scale, objects are not only classified into categories but also rank order the categories in some meaningful way and assign number in order to rank them. However, it does not give any indication of magnitude of the difference among the ranks. For example, individuals with respect to their social class status are ranked as upper class, middle class, and lower class. Ratings are ranked as superior, good, average, poor, inferior. Here, the services provided by mobile companies are rated as excellent, very good, good, fair, and poor, and assigning 5 to excellent, 4 to very good, 3 to good, 2 to fair, and 1 to poor. The ordinal scales have the following properties. The objects are classified into mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive categories which are ranked. The statistical analysis of ordinal data is done by finding median, percentile or quartiles, non-parametric tests, and rank order correlations. Interval scales. In interval scales, objects are not only classified into rank order categories but also measures the magnitude of the difference among the rank. For example, temperature and IQ scores. An interval scale is given from important to unimportant for measuring the characteristics of a courier service, which are delivery services, customer services, accountability and reliability, delivery costs. The interval scales have following properties. The objects are categorized into or classified into categories which are mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive category, which are ranked but having equal differences among ranks. The statistical analysis of interval scale is done through by finding mean, standard deviation or variance, T and F test, and product movement correlations. Ratio scale. In ratio scale, objects are not only classified into rank order categories and measures the magnitude of the differences but also taps the proportion in differences. It has absolute zero origin. For example, wages, production units, weight, height, distance, and age. The number of children in a family is measured through defining categories, which are below 3 years of age, between 3 and 6, over 6 years but under 12, 12 years and over. The ratio scale have following properties. The objects are classified into mutually exclusive and collective exhaustive categories which are ranked or ordered according to the particular characteristics they possess, having equal differences, and 0 point reflects the absence of the characteristics. The statistical analysis of ratio data is done through mean or geometric mean, standard deviation, variance or coefficient of variance, T and F tests, product movement correlation.